Hey everyone, Vittorio from Eibach here. We got our Project Maverick behind me, and today we'll be installing window visors.
This Maverick we're working on is from our Overland X-Hill build. If you didn't know, we brought this to Flagstaff, Arizona, where we showcased our prototype coilovers and rear reservoir shocks. First thing we did is make sure the surface is clean. This way the adhesive sticks nicely onto the paint. The package came with clear protectors. So these clear protectors are so that the metal tabs that are on the visor themselves don't scratch the paint. I lined these up to the door frame by test fitting the visor. I went ahead and peeled some of the double-sided tape off. This allows me to move it around in case I need to make some adjustments. And after that, I just went ahead and stuck it on. The installation process was pretty straightforward. All I had to do was repeat the process on all the windows, and that's about it. The nice thing about these visors is we're now able to leave the windows cracked in the hot summer sun without letting debris into the vehicle. If you have any suggestions on what we should install next, let us know in the comments below.
That concludes the visor install for the Ford Maverick. Let us know what you guys think. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.